Hello everyone, this is Varsa Sunchauri Visakarma from Centre Queensland University, Sydney. This video is only part of my law assignment. My client Giovanni, Lynn and Mike has get into a pizza making business, but they are still confused about business structure for running their business. As a legal advisor, I want to suggest them which business structure would be suitable for their business. Okay, talking about business structure. There are four kinds of business structure. They are sole traders, partnership, company, and trust. Sole trader is the simplest business structure which gives you full control of your assets and business decisions. Whereas partnership is made up of two or more people who distribute income or losses. Company are more complex, limits your liability because it's a separate legal entity. Whereas trust can be expensive to set up and operate and requires a formal trust deed that outlines how the trust operates. The evaluation of each form of business structure suggests that the pizza shop should go for the limited partnership. It is suitable because there are three business partners who are ready to contribute funds and share profit and loss. Giovanni, Lynn, and Mike will contribute $100,000 each and share profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1:1. They want to participate in the business management, which is possible in case of partnership. They want to keep startup regularity and compliance costs low. They want limited liability, which is possible in case of limited partnership. In case of limited partnership, the liability of members shall be limited to the amount agreed upon by them. Sole trader business structure is not possible as there are already three persons. Corporate business structure is also not suitable as they want to participate in the business management and also want to keep their startup regularity and compliance costs into a minimum. These structures shall not provide any protection to their business assets. Okay, talking about the separate legal entity. The doctrine of separate legal entity is an essential principle of corporate law which is founded by the decision of House of Lords in the case of Salomon versus Salomon and Co. Limited. The principles provides that a corporation is an artificial person which is different from its members, making it capable of enjoying rights and obligations. A company has the power to sue and also to be sued. This principle separates the identity of a company from the identity of its members, which protects the members from the company's actions. Therefore, in the situation when a company has any obligations or debts, members will not be liable to an unlimited extent. They shall be liable to the extent of the amount which has not been paid by them on the shares purchase. Lifting the corporate veil. Lifting of corporate veil provides an exception to the principle of separate legal entity, which is applied when the separate legal position of the company is misused. For instance, in case of company, when the separate legal entity principle is used for committing fraud or doing some improper act, the corporate veil is lifted to find out the real culprit so as to make him personally liable instead of holding the company liable as the company, being an artificial person, is incapable of doing anything illegal. This veil is lifted when the statute itself regards it or where there is need to prevent the situation of any illegal or improper conduct. For example, when the number of members in the company falls below the minimum requirement or the director holds directorship in the more than maximum limit companies, the corporate veil is lifted. I hope my advice would be beneficial for my client. Thank you.